Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the commissioner in your ESPN Fantasy Football League using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. Once you are in your team page, tap on League. Remember, only the current commissioner can transfer commissioner rights, so make sure you are logged in as the current commissioner. In the Leagues menu, scroll down to League Administration or Commissioner Settings. Here you will see an option to change commissioner or transfer commissioner. Tap the option, then select the league. Remember, you want to make the new commissioner. After selecting the new commissioner, tap confirm or save to finalize the transfer. The new commissioner will now have full control over league settings, roster changes and draft management. And that's it. You have successfully changed the commissioner in your ESPN Fantasy Football League using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.